Yeah. Last two. Uncle money. I bet you know. First of all, you're fantastic. For my name, you're Wassel and Assassin. Cause me if you keep center.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this wig I received from Wowebony, and it came in this pack and it had some leaflets where you show you how you can win a $30 cashback. And also this came with an elastic band just in case you want to install that, and also a wig cap. So the wig is like this and it's 18 inches, natural color, average cap size, 150% density, and it's a Remy lace 360 wig, and it has all those combs that you can see inside of them. And to be fair, this wig is already pre-plucked and the hairline is really amazing and it's nice. Look at how it looks like. It's really nice, and the net lace color is brown. So like the back, like you can see the back here, it has baby hairs and really nice defined beautiful full lace wig, you know. And the baby hairs in the front also is also very lovely, like you can see in the video. So I'm thinking of showing you guys how to cut the lace, because I get lots of questions in my description. I get lots of video requests how to cut your lace, so I decided to use this wig to show you how you can cut your lace. So like if you are a beginner and you want to cut your lace, you don't want to like make mistake and cut your hair or go into the hairline. So I like to start cutting mine from the point in which they join the lace at the side, like behind the ears. So but before you do that, you need water to spray on the hair so that you can keep all the baby hairs and all the flyaways together, like so it will be easy for you to, you know, have a smooth pass when you are using your scissors to cut it. So now I spread in water, and maybe before you get to the end of the cutting the whole lace, you might need to apply more water. So just be generous with the water. It doesn't hurt, it's going to dry and your wig is still the same. So you can use any kind of scissors. You can use the big one, the small one, even the smallest one, whichever one you have and whichever one you like to use. So like I told you, I'm starting from the back of the ear, like so. And also you can cut this wig when it's on your head, if you know how to do that better. But I think it'd be more convenient and more comfortable to do it, you know, when you're not wearing it, so that you don't make any mistake at all. So like I'm going now, I'm still spraying in some water, and I continue to cut on the hairline just before the baby hairs. So yeah, that's what I'll be doing. And this wig is so lovely. The lace is really nice, as in when I saw the lace, it's so soft. I don't know, maybe this one they call Swiss lace, I don't know, but honestly the lace is soft and it's nice. And anytime I cut off my lace like this from my wig, and I usually keep the lace, because who knows, maybe I want to do any kind of video that will require it, because I don't get to know where I can buy any lace near me here, so I usually keep it, you know. So like now I've cut the front, now this is the back. So I would repeat the same process. The back is quite easy because it's almost like a straight line. It doesn't have any edges, roughness, that kind of stuff. So I'm spraying more water at the back and I go across it and cut it straight like I'm showing. Yeah, so I've gone ahead and installed the wig. I have a video on how I install wig already, so I'm going to put the link down in description box so that you can check it out. So for this video not to be too long, I didn't want to repeat that, so I'm going to use this got to be oil, you know, to apply. You can see how amazing this wig looks. The curls pattern that came with it is really nice and still popping. I haven't even, you know, curled this hair, and it's looking so popping like this. I just wanted to show you, you know, like quick way you can style this wig if you have this wig. And me, I don't really like to style my wig. I like to wear them just like this, because this is what I just love. I love wearing my wig like this, center part, side part, and all that. But for the purpose of this video, I just want to show you quick ways I style this wig. So my first style is, you know, creating a part to the side, and I comb the hair like this. And yeah, that is basically my first style. I don't do much, just pack it to one side and you are gone. So going ahead for the second style, I'll just get a brush and I brush the hair all to the back like so, just like a low bun, you know. Then I make sure that I apply a little bit of the oil to slick it down, and like so. Then what I'm going to do next is to get some hairband, you know, to put it in a low bun under there. You know, when you're doing your video like this and you don't have a big mirror in front of you, you don't see the hair flyaways. You know, I just noticed that there's a hair flyaway in front of my head there, but that's all right. But the message is, this is the style I'm talking about. So all you do is just pack them all to the back, brush it, and yeah. Or if you like, you know, the pony at the back, you put it in a little bun and pin it down, and yeah, you are done. So this will be my second look for this style. For the next style, I'm going to do like a half up half down. So I'm taking some hair in front like so, and I'm going to get a hairband, brush it out properly, then get a hairband, then put it in a bun like so. You can either wear this style just like this, separating the hair like this, or you can go ahead and twist it together and make a high bun like this. So the other way, that or the other way, or you wear it this way. So this will be the next style you can style with this wig, and it's so gorgeous. You can see how gorgeous that is. So I'm going to go ahead again and create another style. This one, I'm going to section the hair in the front like that after doing a middle part. So what I'm going to do in this part is that I'm going to cornrow the hair in the front so close to the hairline like so, and I'll braid it out. After braiding it out, I'm going to use a hairband and I'm going to seal the end. I'll repeat the same thing on the other side. Then I'm going to get the two of them together to the back and also use a band to tie it down. So this is the style, and it's really simple and really nice. I love this style the most. So I'm still going to go ahead also and do another style. This one will be like a twist. It's like the one I did before, but this will be like a crown style because it's going to go on the crown. So I'm going to twist on two sides like this. Then I now bring it to the back and I hook it there. I also like this style. It's quick. It removes the hair from the front of your face. Like if you want to, you know, do a makeup style, you can just get your hair all to the back like this. And yeah, this is a beautiful style. Now I'm going on to the next one. I'm going to create also in the front. I'm going to take a little hair to my right and I'm going to put it in a bun like this, and I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the other side. So now when you have these two ponies, you're going to pick one and wrap it around the roots, making like a bantu knot kind of in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and repeat and do another bantu knot, making two bantu knots in the front. And yeah, that is the style, and it's really gorgeous. It makes me look like a teenager, you know. What do you think? Finally, I want to do like a side low bun. So what I'm doing, I'm using some gel. I'm using Eco Styler gel, you know, just a little amount of it, you know, to bring this hair into like a sleek bun to the back. And this will conclude my style for today. Make sure you write in comment section which style you prefer the most, and don't forget to check this wig out with the link in the description box. And yeah, thanks so much guys for watching. If you're watching me for the first time, click the subscription button and get subscribed and get notified so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So thanks so much guys. Bye.